Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the first ever vlog that I'm doing on my channel because I'm so excited about the event and the event is so close to my heart. It's Inaya's first birthday. Inaya is going to turn one on 2nd of November. That's around 20-25 days from today. Today is what 6th October, yeah. So today is 6th October, and we have planned like a unicorn theme for her birthday. So what it basically is like all pastel colors and just unicorn and all the cute stuff. We're going to DIY a lot of stuff, including like the decor and everything basically, except for balloons and the happy birthday banner and everything. All the other stuff that are going to be put up on the backdrop and on the table and everything, which is going to DIY. Even her chair, we're going to DIY everything. I've got ready along with Aisha here, so she's my sister, and we yesterday we planned the theme and everything like way in advance, but we found a lot of inspiration from Pinterest and how we can create all of that. And we made notes of everything, like what are all the materials that we are going to need, all the crafty stationery materials that we are going to need for the DIY. And heading out right now to whatever stationery we find nearby. We'll go to Viman and the places nearby, and then we'll find for all the pastel shades and everything. That was a long intro, but I am super, super, super excited for Inaya's birthday and also for this vlog. We're going to vlog the entire process of the whole birthday, like putting up the whole birthday together, DIYing and everything in one video. And the part two will come where it's going to be the actual day of her birthday. So we're going to vlog the entire process, which is super super exciting for me. Okay, this is a long video. Now we're heading out. I'll see you guys. So me and Aisha, we both are ready to go buy all this stuff. I'm wearing this sugar mask and she's wearing a wildcraft mask. This is like super super comfortable, this mask, and that is why I love it. I usually wear it every time I go out. So now I'm going to take you guys along this journey. So let's go shopping. We just went to one stationery shop. We got a few what do you say, papers, pastel papers, but he didn't have all the colors. He just had like a dark version of lavender and
the pink one, I guess.
the pink one and yellow, and we got foam sheets. But apart from that, we did not get a lot of stuff, so we are going to another stationery shop nearby. So let's see, whatever we can find nearby, we're going to buy from here itself, and whatever we cannot, we'll try and get it online or
From
maybe Viman somewhere. It's 5:30 right now. We started shopping, I think,
At 3.
At 3.
Oh my
It's
God.
been 2.5 hours. We got a lot of stuff. We even got this cute little monthly thing that I am thinking of making, like all with all of Inaya's monthly photos. And we even got some more colors. These are not exactly pastel, but it's very difficult to find pastel colors. So
Nearby.
we'll try and get as what do you say, as soft colors as possible. We won't go for bright colors, but let's see, let's hope
And
the
we are
outcome
done
is
for the
good.
first day.
We just need to go to the photo studio to get Inaya's photos, like a lot of photos printed, and I'm making a scrapbook which will be kept on the table so that everyone can, have a look at all her development photos and all of that. And super excited for that as well. So we'll go get that done in a day or two. We also did not get colored tissue papers for tassels, you know.
Yeah.
So we need to find that as well.
I think so. We need to go.
I am not
somewhere
sure
else.
where we'll get that.
Vimannagar or
Yeah,
something.
maybe because we are not able to find it. There is this shop who has colored tissue papers, but he had all very bright colors. So he said pastel colors will be available in 2 to 3 days. We'll go and check in 2 days if that's available, or else we'll just I don't know. We'll have to come up with a new idea, but hoping that it works out. So that is it for first day.
Oh my god.
I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever we vlog next. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. Me and Aisha, we are heading out again. Today we're going to Viman because yesterday clearly we did not find a lot of pastel colored sheets. We wanted a mint green, lavender, and baby pink, a lot of those shades basically, but we found all bright colors. So we are going out right now. We'll see if we can find pastel colored papers, and we'll also search for pastel colored balloons. Hi Aisha. So we've just got ready, both of us. It's so hot right now, and today we got late. It's around 4:30 now. We need to get back by 6. So hopefully we will, because she has online classes. We are in Viman right now. We went to Ronak Stationery. We got a lot of pastel papers. We got sketch pens. We got stuff for the scrapbook as well, cardboard, and all those sheets and everything. So yeah, I'm really happy. Now we are going to search for some colored tissue papers because I want to make tassels to decorate the table, but we can't find it anywhere. So we'll be looking for, we'll go to a few other shops as well, and let's see. We did not find any colored tissue papers, so we're just heading back home. Hi guys, it's 15th October today, and we are finally going to start doing all the DIY stuff. We have everything ready. We still need to get her photos, but apart from that, everything is ready. So we're going to start doing it right. So these are all the stuff that we have right now. A lot of papers. Then this is for her monthly thing. A lot of papers. We're going to create flowers and all of that. And then a few decorative papers, a canvas board, sketch pen, glitter papers, golden paper, everything. So yeah.
me and Bhabhi, we were just looking for inspiration online, and then I found 3 giant flowers that we thought would look really great on the backdrop. So just drawing petals, and then we're just going to cut out the petals and create those 3 big giant flowers that you guys will see.
Another day of the vlog. I have Rafsana, Aisha and Bhabhi here with me. So the other day we cut out these petals, some leaves, a lot of flowers and other stuff for the backdrop, and these people are disturbing me. And today we are going to do the rest of the stuff, and we will take you guys through whatever we are doing.
And then we are here making some paper flowers which we thought we'd randomly stick here and there, and they would look really cute. And here's the finished look of the paper fans. I think they look really pretty. So it's the 24th of October and I just headed out to print photos of Inaya so that I could make the monthly photo banner and then a memory thing with all her photos, and also a scrapbook with all her photos of the whole year, so that we can have a look at it whenever we want. So this is the photo studio that we went to and we got all her photos printed. So it's the 30th of October, just 2 days left for Inaya's birthday, and we're all just completing the leftover work, making some flowers, some bigger paper fans, and the photo banner and everything. As you guys can see in the video, we were all just trying to get all things done. So it's the 1st of November, just a few hours before Inaya's birthday actually starts. We did not do anything on the 31st, just took a rest, and on the 1st of November we're just completing whatever was left. We obviously did not complete everything. We did a few touch-up on the 2nd of November as well, because we have been procrastinating everything for such a long time, and then I'm here just making the memory photo hanging thing, and I think we just completed decorating Inaya's name on the 1st of November, and then whatever was left we did on the morning of 2nd, which will be in the part 2 of the vlog. And that is it for part 1 of the vlog. In the next vlog you guys will see the actual birthday and everything. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you. Bye.